too dirty. Oh. But guess what I can do? Oh. The Chloe and Zoey show. Wait, where's Chloe? Chloe! Raj, do you know what time it is?
One eternity later.
It's time to make some slime! Yay! See, I'm here. I'm prepared. About time. So, we have the metallic and color slime kit and the glitter slime kit. Which one should we pick today? I know. Turn around, turn around. No peeking. Okay. Okay, you can turn around now. Which hand? Will it be the right hand or the left hand? I picked the left. Oh, it's a metallic and color slime kit. Shall we? Let's do it. Woo! So Zoe, what's our setup for today? Well, we got this blue glue. We've got this blue metallic glue. Wow, it's so metallic-y. Of course we have our magical liquid. And sparkles. Doot, 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 doot. And we got our glass containers. And our spoons. Let's make this a competition. Let's see who can make the best slime in the shortest amount of time. Okay. I'm like the slime queen. Well, I'm the slime princess. Queen is bigger than the princess. Silly. I'm gonna win. Let's get to it. Let's start. You ready? I'm so ready. I'm ready to win. Let's go. I said I'm ready to win. And you didn't say anything about it. I know I'm going to win. I don't think so. I'm still going to draw a pretty picture beforehand, though. Me too. What are you going to draw? I'm going to draw the sky. So we have the sun here, a cloud, and some birds. And we have a car here. The window, and then the door. And then I'm gonna beat you. Yeah! I'm gonna put some magical liquid into the glue. Just a little bit at a time though. I'm gonna do it too, all in one go. Excuse me. No, I'm gonna win. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna still win.
Which glitter color should I put in?
Look, I'm ready. Uh-oh, I gotta mix faster. Ooh, I don't think this is ready yet. Oh no. I like this better than the last one we played with. The putty.
Yes, we didn't like the putty too much.
Oh, you dirty. Uh-oh.
But guess what I can do?
I think I'm winning.
Oh no!
Let's do this and let's add more sparkles. But I think I already won. Her slime is not working out very well for her.
I don't know what happened, but it's a very nice blue though.
It is, it's a nice blue. I like the pink sparkles you put in, it's a nice contrast. You're welcome. Oh no, I still got it all over my hand and arm. Uh-oh. Why is this happening? You would think that after the third try of making slime, she'd have it down by now. So, I'm just gonna put this here, and now we wait.
2,000 years later.
It's coming together really well. Look at this beautiful color. Wow, reminds me of the beautiful blue sky. Do we think it will collect the slime on my arm and hand this time?
Try it!
Yay! Yay!
Are you done yet?
Give me a second, Chloe. We're almost there. I'm trying to get all the slime off of my hands.
I think I win.
I guess so this time around, but next time, it'll be me.
I really don't think so.
We'll see about that, right?
Wow.
Oh, let's play.
We shall. Come in closer. You got it on me.
That's your problem, not mine.
It's cream.
Well, that was lots and lots and lots of fun.
It is. Look how far the spans.
Wow. And we keep going, and we keep going, and we keep going. Hold one end. Hold one end.
Oh no!
Wow. Oh, I can't go further anymore.
That was so much fun! Stay tuned for our next episode where we will be competing again with different kinds of slime.
We'll see you guys next time.
Bye!
Hi kids! If you want to follow us on some fun,
Big,
exciting adventures,
make sure to subscribe down below.
yay!